Okay, so as homeschoolers, sometimes supplies can be kind of expensive, and this is a really cool trick my son discovered for how to collect iron filings for magnetic experiments and things from stuff that you already have. So here is Robert demonstrating. He has a magnet, and he's just pouring sandpit sand over it. And check out what is accumulating on that, like crazy. Look at all of that. The other cool thing about that is that that might not just be like any old iron, because the iron on Earth comes from outer space, which means that's like meteorite flecks and things like that, and that makes a really, really fun lesson for school. So there you go. An amazing, inexpensive way to collect iron filings so that you can see things like magnetic fields. You can put a magnet underneath a piece of paper and then spread the filings around it, and then you can draw the magnetic field that way. You can add it to slime. You can, I don't know, there's just so much stuff you could do with that.
Wait, you can make magnetic slime?
He discovered my secret. Yeah, so we're going to have to check that out. This will be
then
really fun.
Then we could put our slime on the fridge.
That'd be cool. Yeah, this is neat. So anyway, that is just amazing. See how bushy that is? It's like a great big old thistle or something. It's amazing. Okay, well there you go. Little homeschool tip for the day. Peace out.
This